When it comes to building wealth in the stock market, people usually fall into two camps. On one side, you have the day traders, the ones glued to their screens, buying and selling stocks in minutes or hours, chasing quick profits. On the other side, you have the long-term investors, the ones who buy and hold for years, maybe even decades, letting time and compounding do the heavy lifting. So the big question is this: what's better, day trading or long-term investing? Let's start with day trading. It sounds exciting, right? You wake up, turn on your laptop, and within a few minutes, you could be up a few $100s. The thrill of fast money can be tempting, but here's the truth. Day trading is one of the toughest ways to make money. Studies show that most day traders actually lose money. Why? Because it's stressful, it requires constant focus, and one bad decision can wipe out weeks of profits. Plus, in the US, every time you buy and sell, you're paying taxes on those short-term gains. And if you're using margin or leverage, the risks go up even higher. Now let's look at long-term investing. This is the Warren Buffett style, buying strong companies or index funds and holding them for years. It's not flashy, you won't double your money overnight. But history shows that the US stock market has returned about 8 to 10% per year on average over the long run. That means if you invest $1,000 and let it grow, it can turn into tens of thousands of dollars over time, without you having to stare at charts all day. Long-term investing also has tax advantages, since long-term capital gains are taxed less than short-term ones. So which one is better? If you want stability, sleep peacefully at night, and actually build wealth, long-term investing has the clear edge. Day trading can make money, but only for a very small percentage of people who treat it like a full-time job and have years of discipline, risk management, and emotional control. Here's the way I see it. Day trading is like running on a treadmill at full speed. It's intense, it's exhausting, and the second you stop, so does your income. Long-term investing is like planting a tree. At first, it doesn't look like much, but with patience, it grows, and one day it provides shade, fruit, and security for you and your family. At the end of the day, it comes down to your goals. If you want quick action and you can handle the pressure, you might test out day trading. But if your goal is to retire wealthy, to send your kids to college, or to build generational wealth in America, then long-term investing will always give you the higher chance of success. So ask yourself, do you want to gamble on the short term? Or do you want to bet on time and let your money grow? For most people, the smart answer is clear. Long-term investing wins.